Wanna know how to use constructors in Java? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can easily use constructors. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now, first things first, you can just simply open up any compiler or an application that runs Visual Studio or Java. So once you're there, here in this code, we have created a class called car, and inside it, we define a constructor. It has the same name as class. So you can see right here, car with string m, and under we have defined the model right here. So it takes a value m and assigns it to model, as you can see right here. Then we create a new car object with Tesla. The constructor runs automatically after that. So right here you can just simply say it in the program. Under static void main, we have created this car under a new Tesla right here. And after that is done, it sets model to Tesla, and when we print it, we get the correct value. And that's it. Constructors initialize objects when they are created. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.